So we're gonna have a little lunch. Split some wood out there. Did a lot of work, and got some Spam I gotta use up. I'm gonna check my stores. Cast iron. Cast iron was it? It's a Frank's hot sauce. Of course, I put that on the scones. No, I'm only kidding, man. But Havarti, Wisconsin Dill Havarti cheese. Usually, don't get all nervous. Cheesehead, Chris. Muffin. We'll fry this up. It'll be nice. Normally, about 70% of the times we eat cheddar. But cooking this up. So I just want to try this, use this up. But it should be pretty nice, man. And that's what I'm doing. So, made these today. Split a bunch of wood, so take care. When you ask me for a ride. So I was talking to you before, I had the camera on. But should bring this over and show you. Fried up the Spam, melted the cheese on here. Got English muffin. Kind of toasted that up a little bit on here. Some egg. Spam with the Havarti cheese, a little hot sauce. And I'm going to put some Wickles jalapeno on there. And I don't know if I showed you this before, but that's the cheese from Wisconsin. But usually I like the kind of sharp cheddar, New England, upstate New York. Let me bring this close to you, and you can see what we got here. I mean, that is just, melted cheese with the Spam. Yeah. Let me just shut this off, give you a close-up. Yeah, so I got the egg on there, a couple of pieces of Spam with the cheese on there. The cheese is all melted on there. I didn't use this Spam up, I was just checking stuff out. But, and I made scones this morning. I split a whole bunch of wood. I don't mess around here, man. So I got my, I've tried Wickles relish before, and I like it, but I got a deal on this jalapeno stuff here. So we'll give it a try. I like hot stuff anyway, so. But a cast iron pan, wooden spatula. Don't want to ruin the seasoning on the cast iron. I shut this off because everything's melted. It's very nice. It's great. So let me get back to you. Put the stuff on there, and we'll be okay. Yeah. So this is ready. I put the Spam with the melted cheese on there. We'll take this, put the jalapeno, Wickles relish. Oh, that's good stuff, man. Hot, very hot. Let it cool down, and it'll be a real good shaker. There it is, man. Get out. Get out. Thomas English Muffin. It's still pretty hot, so I can't touch that, but let me just try a little bit of this there. Try that. That's incredible. So I'm going to try this concoction we just made. Oh yeah. Come on, it's crispy. Look at that, man. Look at that. Come on. I'm not playing around here. Damn. Damn, it's good. Incredible. Nice and toasty. Toasted Thomas English Muffin. Egg. Spam with Havarti cheese. From Wisconsin. Wickles jalapeno relish. Spam. Oh. Incredible. If this was that show about the diners there with Guy Fiero, is it? You like this stuff. Man. It's not my breakfast. My lunch. Late lunch. A lot of work today. So we keep doing what we gotta do. I'm gonna have a little giveaway when they reach 1,000. Getting there now, pretty close. I'll just send some stuff out little by little to make some stuff. I'll mention that again, but nothing fancy. Well, this is incredible. Look at that, man. Look at that. Come on, you dog. This is good stuff here, man. My dogs are eyeballing me. Good home meal. It was my tea this afternoon in my nice cups. My very low tea. I made scones, blueberry scones. We'll have that. Tonight to honor my friends and other people, and a beer, we'll drink to honor them. Usually do that every Friday night. But I'm not joking here, man. This is good stuff. And this is, now, let me give you a little background. When I go on events or go on a trail, reenact or whatever I was doing, I usually don't bring the egg. Muffin like this, usually cheddar cheese most of the time, some bacon, to fry the bacon up, then I put this in here, and I get this muffin real hot. I don't cut it, get it hot, it gets hot inside. Then you stick the bacon, stick the cheese in there, and just put it on your little pan. Usually you have a little pan like this over your fire, whatever you're doing, and there you go. You got yourself a Egg McMuffin without the egg, and it's outstanding. I've been doing that for years. But I had the spam. I'm here, I'm home, I got the egg. Oh, come on. So, Squinty Eskimo for peace and freedom of everything. So, we'll just keep doing what we're doing. Outdoors, cooking, whatever you want to do. Okay, whatever you want to do. Appreciate everyone that comes to my channel or subscribes, reads, comments, whatever. I appreciate everybody. Whether they have content or whether they don't have content. Half the people on YouTube, they don't have content. They might have some playlists though too, which is kind of good. But they comment and they're as important as anybody on YouTube. So without them, we're nothing. So, but anyways, yeah. Have a good weekend. This is a weekend. Am I going to call it Cast Iron Wednesday? I don't know. Maybe it's Cast Iron. Let's see. So, you take care. Peace. Victory. Peace. Take it easy, man.